What's the meaning of Chief Petty Officer? Chief Petty Officer. Chief Petty Officer.
Chief Petty Officer. Chief Petty Officer. A Chief Petty Officer is a senior non-commissioned rank in the naval forces of many countries. It is typically the 7th enlisted rank above Petty Officer First Class and below Senior Chief Petty Officer. A Chief Petty Officer is responsible for leading and supervising junior enlisted personnel and providing technical expertise in their area of specialty. They also serve as a liaison between enlisted personnel and commissioned officers. Chiefs are known for their experience, leadership skills, and pride in their profession. They play a vital role in maintaining discipline and readiness within the military.